Right now it's at 16. I set it to 4. It's just been taking a little longer to get down there. But so we do warrant the shingle down to 25 degrees. So what we got here is our StormFighter Flex, which is TAMKO. 4. We warrant this down to the 25 degree install.
Which one is that?
This is the StormFighter Flex Class 4. Okay. We warrant it down to 25 degree install. It also comes with a 160 wind warranty. And then we got a competitor shingle, which is touted as the best Class 4 shingle in the market right now. As you can see, yep, 16 degrees. That's cool. So what we like to do here in our tests is if the sealant fails for any chance, and you get some wind lift, it's going to blow right over and break it. You got the headlamp right here, just breaks in half. You got the shingle face, just breaks in half again. When you have rubber shingles, it has a tendency to break. So StormFighter Class 4, again, 25 degree install. We're at 16 degrees. Same exact test.
Make everything
Lens right over. Take the headlamp, not break it at all. Take the shingle here.
My son was just with you yesterday.
Obviously that sawtooth's there, but
Let me feel that.
you know how cold that is?
It's cold.
Yeah. So again, the polymer mix that we've done with the shingle, mixed with our SBS, we pre-oxidize our asphalt, makes it a lot more tackier, allows it to be that flexible. So it's basically a matured asphalt by the time it goes into your shingle versus a lot of the elements to oxidize it for you. And then again, with your polyester strip that's in between the common bond, it keeps the two shingle pieces together so it doesn't delaminate. And as you can see here, how far our strip goes in, it covers the entire common bond of your shingle. So even if you nail below the line or even above the line, we give you about 1/8 of an inch of protection if you high nail or low nail.
That's great.
Again, 4 nails, 1/16, and then 25 degrees.
You did that with the Vistas?
Yeah. That's this stuff. There's something else I can do for you here. Who's that? I won't say it, but you guys know who it is. So this is their Class 4.
Yeah.
With the strip, right?
He's a great guy. I love that.
Breaks in half because it doesn't go into the common bond.
One's recording.
Take their headlamp. Same thing. So
Look at that.
yeah. So we
just
again,
convincing.
we're probably one of the last shingles that came out with a Class 4. So there's no disadvantage about coming out last. We get a chance to look at our competitors and make sure we make the right choices and the right shingle. So.